Here's how you use your Fusion audio system. Now, you can use your audio system through the Garmin's or directly here to your Fusion. To select different inputs, select that arrow with the circle. You can select the front TV, rear TV, auxiliary, or FM. Now, if you do either or, just remember you do have the knob here for your volume. And to connect to Bluetooth, select Bluetooth. Select the little arrow with the circle. 3 horizontal lines, Bluetooth, connections. You will have discoverable. If you hit discoverable, you're going to see that check mark that will, select the Bluetooth to pair up. You'll have pair devices if you want to delete one or hook it up. Now here underneath remove device, if you no longer want that device, just click on it and it automatically deletes it from the system.